Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure you have the core items and access. Open Wacky Wizards and enter any server where you can craft. Once in, bring one glass bottle and one bucket to the cauldron immediately. You want a clear workspace. Move other props away so ingredients won't mix accidentally. Next, prepare a simple wand click or keyboard hotkey for quick pouring. Make sure to stand close to the cauldron and keep your inventory visible so you can add ingredients in the correct order. You now focus on timing and order. Pour water from the bucket to about half to 3/4 full because dilution affects reaction. Once done, add the paint reagent followed by the color catalyst. The order matters for stable pigment formation. Stir using clicks or the wand for about 6 to 8 seconds while watching particles shift color. If the cauldron changes hue evenly, you're on track. Make sure to use the glass bottle immediately after stirring to capture the paint before it dissipates. You finish by capturing the paint. Hold the glass bottle to the cauldron and click to fill while the pigment is still vivid. Once filled, return to inventory and apply to an item to confirm effect. If the paint fades or separates, make sure to empty and reset the cauldron, then repeat with slightly more catalyst or less water. This adjusts concentration. One key troubleshooting tip: if particles vanish quickly, shorten stirring time and fill the bottle faster to lock in the color.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.